So you're just rolling along. We're at 10 miles an hour. You guys can see that on my digital dashboard. And we're just keeping space. And I'm a little happy. It looks like we're moving, but I don't want to get too excited about this. The transmission's in 4th gear now. It's got an 8-speed transmission. Now I'm in 5th gear. And I'm squeezing those. This car is really tailgating me. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror. So if I would have hit my brakes hard, that's the teachable moment. They would have rear-ended me. A lot of beginning drivers hit the brake too hard. So I'm just looking, trying to see down as far as possible what's going on. And I'm just gonna be patient. I'm still near the next exit, so if I need to get off, I can. I'm supposed to be at the laboratory at 7:45. I still can make it, but I don't know. I'm supposed to have that rapid COVID test today. It takes 15 minutes. So we'll see. I'll talk a little bit more. I still see flashing lights up there. The thing I tell my students, whenever there's a traffic jam, as long as, that's against the law. You riding on the shoulder like that, you can't do that. You're gonna get a ticket. It is not this serious out here. Don't panic. I'm looking for flashing lights. I don't seem to see it. But it doesn't mean there's not an event up ahead of us. I'm still gonna keep moving. We're moving at 11 miles an hour. I see people getting out at the next exit. If you get off, you're gonna have a bunch of traffic lights and stop and go and stop and go, stop and go. Then they're gonna be rushing, and no one wants to do that. It might be easier just to stay on the expressway. Also, you see that truck to my left hauling that container? My man's got a little bungee cord. Don't hang behind those type of vehicles. Very dangerous. So far we're still moving. You're gonna have to make a decision. Do you stay on or do you get off? I'm thinking about getting off, but I'm still gonna have to be traveling with all these lights, and I don't know if I really want to do that. My decision, I'm gonna stay on, and you know, I'll keep this on a few so you can know the outcome. It happens. This is the first real cold day here in North America. The ground is, well, it says 32 degrees air temperature, so the ground is probably much colder. Someone probably was going really fast, slid into the wall, flipped their car. We just don't know. I'm not going to bore you with all this. I hope you learned something. Let's kind of review. You always need to leave early as possible, get your fuel, and then have an app on your phone. I don't know if I could recommend one to let you know. I make a decision to stay on. I still can cut over if I need to, but I'm probably going to end up staying on. Hopefully it's brought you value. If it did, give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate you. Bye.